Alright, so we're going to show you how to line this thing up today. So I just took this 7 apart just to do this video. So the problem is that people are having a problem getting this to line up with this plate so it'll fit back on the phone, because it ends up hitting either on the board or on this loudspeaker right here. It's a little tricky to line it up, but you want to use I use a WIA. This is the main reason why I keep these WIAs around. I use my WIA 000. Put this plate on here like this, and then I hold up the bottom piece like this, that's where the adhesive is, and I take my screwdriver and I use my finger like this, and I line this up with this plate, and then I set this down and stick it to the cable. I double check it, make sure it's lined up like that. So I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to put the rest of these side rail screws in, and then I'm going to go to clip it into the phone and show you that it actually works. Alright, got all these side rail screws back in here. Just so you know, I didn't mess it up. It's like that. Alright, so you know I didn't like change it or anything. It's like that. Yeah. So we're going to put this back on here. Sorry guys, I got a customer in there. I thought I was going to have to go up and help. So I'm going to clip this in. Alright, so clip those in. I know there's no plates, but this is just for demonstrative purposes. And just like that, lines up perfectly every single time. I've done this with hundreds of these.